Hi, my name is Alicia Newman-Lorick. I'm a fashion stylist and publisher of the blog madlychic.com. I'm here today with Oliver and Annika to talk about good dress clothes for school. So Oliver is wearing a really cute button-down shirt with a plaid pattern on it and a cotton sweater with a stripe. You can mix patterns to add a little bit of interest and to make him look a little bit more fashionable, as long as the colors are similar. So the plaid shirt actually has a little bit of a navy in it that goes with the navy in the sweater. And what's nice is that both of these items are machine washable, so it makes them more durable for kids. Then Oliver is wearing chino pants. These are also great for dress up because they're comfortable, but they're a little bit dressier than jeans are. So chinos is a great option. Oliver is also wearing loafers, which are a little bit dressier, but they're still comfortable for him to wear. Just make sure that the loafers aren't too big. If they're too big, Oliver's heel will slip up out of them, and that could give him a blister. And we wouldn't want that, right, Oliver?
Yep.
Yep. Annika is wearing a tank top, which is very comfortable, and this really cute sweater that's got one button at the top. It's bright, it's fun, and again, it's made out of cotton, so it's machine washable. Now, her skirt is a jean skirt, also machine washable, and leggings. Girls Annika's age really like to wear leggings under what they're wearing, just in case they go on the monkey bars or they're doing some serious recess action. They want to make sure that they are covered when wearing a skirt. I've got her in these pair of sneakers, which aren't very, very dressy, but if you do want to go dressier, you can go with a ballet flat or a pair of boots or something like that. But everything that Annika is wearing is comfortable, it's machine washable, and it's really cute looking on her. Now, another option is a dress. Annika, could you show the dress? This is a cotton dress. It's got a really cute pattern, it's fun, it's dressy. She could wear it with leggings or without. She could wear it with tights, she could wear it with boots. But again, it's comfortable for her to wear. It's still good for recess because girls Annika's age, younger, older, they still want to be able to run around, and it's still really cute looking. The other option is, Annika, could you show the tunic? This tunic is a perfect option with a pair of leggings under it. It's also really cute and really fashionable looking, also machine washable, but it's great for running around. It looks nice, but she won't be tortured wearing it all day. It's still comfortable and really cute for dressy. I'm Alicia Newman-Lorick. This was Good Dress Clothes for School.